Once we've completed the part one of the process of importing your data into eSolutions bids and tenders, we're now ready to go to part two, which is to import the actual bid items from Builterra into the bids and tenders bid package. So we're going to launch the bids and tenders interface here, and we're going to go ahead and create a new bid. So you'll have your own process to create this bid. We're just going to do a test one for the sake of showing the process, and it may or may not be the same as what you're currently doing, but this shows the process pretty quickly and easily. So once we set up some of the relevant details for the bid package, we'll be ready to import each tender table from the Builterra zip file bundle. So let's go ahead and save the details for this bid and get going to the import function. Okay, so like I said, you'll have your own process. This is just for an example. Okay, so once you're ready to use the import function, you'll select the eBid, pick the import from CSV, and then browse for one of the CSV files that's contained in the zip file from Builterra. Once you import it, you'll see all of the items that were in the Builterra design and construction bid. The second thing you need to do is actually assign the unit price variable to make sure it lines up with the imported data. Secondly, you're going to have to use a multiplier to come up with the total extended price. So once the bidder puts in their unit price, it'll automatically calculate the totals. Okay, now once that's set up, this is the complete process for each and every tender table. So we're going to fast forward the video through the 4 remaining parts. It's the same process as before, where you're using the import function, you're setting the unit pricing column, and then you're setting the total extended price variables. So I'm going to speed up the video a little bit and get in the rest of these tables. And so now we've got our 4 complete tables ready for e-procurement. So once you've completed that, you're ready to send out the bid either through the Bids and Tenders website, web portal, or in this case, we're going to use an email notification system just to simulate the bid process. Okay, putting together an email transmittal. Go ahead and releasing it to the bidder. Okay. So like you will have your own method for this, but this sort of shows how easy you can import those CSVs and get this off to the bidding system. That concludes our part 2 of the video series, and part 3 will deal with the bidder data entry part of the process.